There's definitely some nostalgia in watching those videos there. He did everything from building water electrolyzers to dealing with high voltage transformers to melting metal to just about anything else you could think of, all in your own backyard. And what about the backyard scientist? He had some pretty good content.
Today we're going to be doing a bunch of oobleck experiments, and that's just a mixture of cornstarch and water, which is called a non-Newtonian fluid.
Which is basically a substance that, depending on the strain rate, it's either a solid or a liquid. No!
Definitely acted like a solid.
Yeah, for sure.
And smarter every day.
We're gonna see if we can make laminar flow happen, and as the flow goes in there, all of the streamlines of the water are lining up, and so it's flowing parallel, right? Once you get all the flow going in one direction, you can divert the laminar flow and the streamlines stay in the same orientation. All the laminar flow going in one direction, you can put things that, look at that, it made a bubble! Okay, you can make a sheet. It's like a sphere of laminar flow.
Those are some amazing channels. You should really check those out. Some other channels that are worthy of mentioning are Technology Connections. We have the Action Lab, who makes experiments about different objects with water or with really bright flashlights. There's Cody's Lab, who lives out in Utah and currently goes to the Mars output as well. There's Veritasium, who's one of the more popular science channels. He actually made a video about the blue LED quite recently. You might want to check that out too. There's also Electroboom, who makes tons of videos about electronics while also being entertaining at the same time.
Using a probe, it measures the voltage between 2 points, like across a battery, between the scope ground, which is this clip, and the tip of the probe. The signal then travels through a coaxial cable to what's typically a BNC connector that plugs into the scope.
Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.